How to enable approval to join any particular community in your Microsoft Teams. So hey guys, welcome to this tutorial. In this tutorial I'll be guiding you through the exact steps on how you can enable approval before someone joins your community. So basically, whenever someone will try to join your existing Microsoft Teams community, you or the moderator will be required to accept that particular invitation. Only then the person will be able to join this ensures that your chats are safe and bypassers are not able to join you. So let me show you how you can enable this. So to enable this, simply go to the communities tab over the left hand side, then simply choose that particular community on which you want to enable this. So for example, I have this YouTube community right here. So from here, I'm going to click onto this manage community settings icon, and within this I have the settings option right here, and within the settings I can see in the join settings I have this option that says require approval to join. Thus community owners must approve new members before they can join, and make sure this particular toggle is enabled. If this is enabled, there is no issue, your approvals are perfectly working fine. So that was all for this tutorial. Thanks for watching and have a nice day.